satellite that will permit man to determine the world's cloud layer and ultimately to control the weather, and he who controls the weather will control the world.
NASA satellite images from all over the globe, every single day, reveal a planet that looks completely different from the now half-century-old satellite images of our once blue planet. Now, especially over oceans, there are almost no open areas of blue. Rather, there are drifting, unorganized, massive patches of aerosol-saturated cloud cover, often with very visible grid pattern geoengineering aerosol spraying grid patterns woven in. The unfolding collapse of Earth's life support systems is comparable to the tumbling of dominoes, in which a small domino block falls toward a larger domino block, which in turn falls toward a still larger domino block, and the process carries on, with ever larger links in the chain breaking and falling. The human race is on the fast track to a place we don't want to be. And all the while, the public is fed a steady stream of bread and circus propaganda from the power structure-controlled corporate media weapon of mass distraction. As 2019 comes to a close, I wish to express my deepest thanks to every single activist, concerned citizen, and individual that is doing their best to honestly investigate what is unfolding on our rapidly changing world. And to those who are trying to make a difference for the better, again, my deepest gratitude. The 2019 final installment of Global Alert News starts now. Our rain is toxic. For over a decade, GeoEngineeringWatch.org has tried to sound the alarm about this fact. Consider this headline report. Researchers find high levels of PFAS chemicals in rainwater in the United States. PFA chemicals were found in all rainwater samples from the U.S. And consider this. PFAS chemicals